Yeah, this is Sky Money, otherwise known as
Bola.
Bola. Yeah, he's one of our number one driver. He's joined Jamaican Delight in the recent years, and since then he's always been with us.
Yeah.
As you can see, he's a happy guy. You know.
I'm good, man. Jamaican Delight, is a place where they, get this Jamaican delicacies, something you can always come for more. Come to think of their jerk chicken, chicken curry sauce.
Yeah.
The goat meat, they're so tasty. You're never gonna, regret coming to this wonderful stuff.
So like, what's your favorite you have? What's your favorite you have from Jamaica?
I love the goat curry.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite. And then the dumplings.
Yes.
Yeah, I love dumplings. Yeah, I love it. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes, this is Jamaican Delight, 639 Lincoln Road in Peterborough. My name is Jadi, Bingy D, Little D. It's like 3 in 1, right? Yes. So I'm here today as one of the team member, musician, singer, DJ, everything in one. I'm here today to reason with a person who have been in the business for quite some time now, a very, very long time, and he goes by the name of Clive, but many people know him as Twinny, but you see me, you call him Brother Clive. That's Brother Clive.
Yeah.
So, Brother Clive is 3 questions. We're gonna make it short, and snappy. It's 3 questions I think the people and the public would really love to know. The first one is, when did you first start the shop?